What if the boundaries of nature blurred, giving rise to a creature that defies all logic? Imagine the bird whale, a majestic titan of the sea, its powerful body gliding through the depths, yet adorned with elegant feathered wings that catch the wind. Its head, a mesmerizing fusion of bellowing jaws and a sharp beak, speaks of both grace and ferocity. Picture its tail, a magnificent blend of a fluke and iridescent feathers, propelling it through stormy skies as it rules both ocean and air. A creature born from dreams, or perhaps nightmares, it embodies the essence of freedom and strength. What would you call this enigmatic being, this marvel of nature's imagination?